So in this question, you're asked to convert the following angles into radian measures. You're given angles in degree measure, you're asked to convert them into radians. So we know that 1 degree is equal to how many radians? Pi by 180 radians, right? This is the conversion between degree and radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. So now if you have 25 degrees is nothing but 25 times 1 degree is nothing but pi by 180 radians. So instead of degrees, you just need to write pi by 180 radians. So 5 5s are 5 36 are. That is equal to 5 pi by 36 radians. So the next angle is minus 47 degrees 30 minutes. So before converting degrees into radians, so let us completely convert this into degrees. So we know that 30 minutes is nothing but 30 by 60 degrees, right? So minus 47 degrees and 30 minutes is nothing but 30 times 1 by 60 degrees. So 1 minute is 1 by 60th of degree. So this gets cancelled. So this gives you half degree. That is equal to minus 47 and half degrees. That is equal to minus 95 by 2 degrees, right? Mixed fraction. So 2 into 47, 94 plus 1 is 95. So minus 95 by 2 degrees. Now let us convert this into radians. 1 degree is nothing but pi by 180 radians. So into pi by 180 radians. So if you want to cancel this, you can cancel 536 times 536 times 5 1 19 times. That is equal to minus 19 pi by 72 radians. So minus 47 degrees 30 minutes is minus 19 pi by 72 radians. So now let's go to the third sub question. So 240 degrees and 1 degree is pi by 180, so into pi by 180 radians. So 63s are 64s are, that is equal to 4 pi by 3 radians. So even if you don't write any units, the meaning is that the angle is in radians. I can leave it like this. So next you have 520 degrees, so 520 into pi by 180 radians. So this and this gets cancelled. So you have 2 9s are 226 are, that is equal to 26 pi by 9 radians. So effectively, if you want to convert degrees into radians, you just need to multiply it with pi by 180. So in this question, you're asked to convert the given degree measures of angles into DMS system, that is degrees, minutes and seconds system. So we know that 1 degree is divided into 60 minutes and 1 minute is divided into 60 seconds. So now in the first question, you're given 50.25 degrees. 50.25 degrees is nothing but 50 degrees plus a 0.25 degree. So these 50 degrees are complete degrees and this 0.25 is a fractional degree. So these fractional degrees can be converted into corresponding minutes and seconds, because minutes and seconds are also fractional degrees. So that is equal to 50 degrees plus 0.25 times 1 degree is nothing but 60 minutes, right? Into 60 minutes. So 1 degree is 60 minutes. So 0.25 degree is 0.25 times 60 minutes. That is equal to 50 degrees plus, so 0.25 into 60. So 25 into 6 is 150. So you have 1500. That is 15 minutes. So if you multiply these to 0.25 into 60 is 15. So you have 50 degrees and 15 minutes. So the measure of angle is 15 degrees 15 minutes. So 50.25 degrees is 15 degrees 15 minutes. Next, let us go for 65 degrees 365 minutes. Sorry, 65.365 degrees. So I want to convert this into minutes and seconds. You cannot directly write it as 65 degrees 365 minutes. That's wrong. So how we do is 65.365 is 65 complete degrees plus 0.365 of a degree. That's nothing but 65 degrees plus 0.365, and 1 degree is say equal to 60 minutes, right? So 0.365 degrees is nothing but 0.365 into 1 degree, and 1 degree is 60 minutes. That is equal to 65 degrees plus, if I multiply these two, so 365 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 9, 3, 18, 21. So 2190. So into 60 is this. So 21.9 minutes. So if I multiply these two, I am getting 21.9 minutes. That means you have 21 complete minutes plus a fractional minute. That is equal to 65 degrees plus 21 complete minutes plus a 0.9th minute. Now this fractional minute can be converted into seconds. That's nothing but 65 degrees 21 minutes plus 0.9 times 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds, right? That is equal to 65 degrees 21 minutes plus 0.9 times 60 is 54 seconds, right? 54 seconds. So once you have everything done, so you can write it as 65 degrees 21 minutes 54 seconds. So the trick of converting degrees, decimal degrees into minutes and seconds is nothing but subsequent multiplication with 60. So initially the fractional degrees have to be multiplied with 60, so you get minutes. If you still get a fractional minute, you again multiply it with 60, you get the seconds. So again, if you have fractional seconds, that has to be left out there. You cannot, because in DMS system you have no smaller unit than seconds. Next, you have 48 degrees 1235 degrees, 48.1235 degrees. So there is nothing but 48 degrees plus 0.1235 degrees. So 0.1235 degrees if I convert into minutes. So 0.1235 times 60, right? So the 0 gets cancelled and 1.2. So 6, 0, 3, 18, 21, 2, 4, 1, 7, 4, 1. So 7.41. That is equal to 48 degrees plus 0.1235 into 60 gives you 7.41. That is 7.41 minutes. That is nothing but 48 degrees plus 7.41 minutes is 7 minutes plus 0.41 minutes. So 7 complete minutes plus 0.41 minutes. Now, if you take 0.41 minutes, it's a fractional minute, this can be converted into seconds. So 0.41 minutes is nothing but 0.41 times 60 seconds. So the 0 gets multiplied. Here you get 4.1 into 6 is 24.6. So that is equal to 48 degrees 7 minutes and 24.6 seconds. So you have a fractional second here, but you have to leave it there. You cannot go further because DMS stops at seconds. So 48.1235 degrees is 48 degrees 7 minutes 24.6 seconds. And if you want to do the reverse of this, that is, if you are given an angle in DMS system, if you want to convert this into completely degree system, so what you do is the reverse of what we have done there. In that process, we have consecutively multiplied it with 60. So here you need to divide consecutively with 60. So you have 32 complete degrees plus 40 degrees, that is nothing but 40 times 1 degree is 1 by 60th of 1 minute is nothing but 1 by 60th of a degree. So 40 minutes is nothing but 40 into 1 by 60 degrees plus, so you have 30 minutes and each minute is 1 by 3600th of a degree. That is 30 times 1 second is 1 by 3600th of a degree. So that is equal to, if you cancel this, so you have a 2/3 of a degree. So here If you cancel it, you have 120. So 32 degrees plus you have a 2/3 of a degree plus you have a 1/120th of a degree. So you need to add these three. So that is equal to 32 degrees plus if you take the LCM for this, you have 120 here. So 340 into 2 is 81. So if you add this 81 out of 120th degree, that is 31. So if you can 81, you can cancel 3 out. So 3 27s are 3 40s are 27 out of 40. So 31 and 27 by 40th of a degree. This can be expressed in a mixed fraction, or you can calculate the fraction and cancel it, convert into a decimal form. You can also do that. So 27 out of 40 is nothing but first I'll divide by 4. So I get 6 24, 3.075, 6.75. So I get 31.675 degrees. So 32 degrees, 40 minutes, 30 seconds is 31.675 degrees. And if you convert it back into DMS system, you get this answer exactly.